Whether you're practicing tricks on a wakeboard ahead of reaching a favorite location to film a section of coral reef for inclusion to a social media post, or monitoring the distance of a friend's boat while navigating toward a shipwreck to participate in a group dive, the latest generation of boating gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative boating gadgets which will not only get you out of a spin but provide a new perspective. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The RONIX One Blackout is an advanced wakeboard known for its high-energy 3-stage rocker that provides an explosive pop and strong lift off the wake for impressive aim. Riders can expert a light wake feel with speed walls for momentum and maneuverability along with channels for stability and flow. While it requires more speed to edge compared to continuous boards, the Blackout One offers more forgiving and responsiveness. The core technology provides more feeling and a lighter, stiffer construction, resulting in better energy transfer and harder pops. Channels in the tip and tail help direct water flow, and wider tips and tails increase stability. Speed walls help the board accelerate quickly and maintain momentum as the rider approaches the wake, facilitating confident edging. The board's wider outline and lightweight core provides a bigger sweet spot with added stability that planes easier at slower speeds with an unmatched explosive vertical rocker line. The hurdle in wakeboards has always been that riders want a stiff, reactive takeoff and a soft and subtle landing. The One Blackout achieves this. With a lightweight construction, ergonomically perfected bindings and an aggressive 3-stage rocker, delivering powerful energetic lift for huge air and high-performance tricks, the RONIX One Blackout makes for a fun ride. The Williams Jet Tender SPORTJET 520 is a 17.1 foot by 6.7 foot tender designed for commuting and water sports. With fat tubes, a modest dead rise and a 170 horsepower petrol engine, the boat is very accessible. The ultra-responsive jet propulsion system provides precise handling at low speeds and features no exposed moving parts, ensuring safe swimming and diving nearby. It picks up fast, runs flat and operates through the turn with an engaging mix of grip and slip, courtesy of a relatively shallow hull that's equipped with a pair of vertical steel rails. There is a spacious sunbathing area, ample storage, and the capacity to accommodate 7 adults within the remarkably deep, secure seating zones. A rotating backrest provides extra space and a flip-up footrest is featured at the stern. The large platform provides access to the water. There is a ski pole, ample storage, a premium audio system, single-point lift and LED deck lights. The boat can also be easily loaded onto 98-foot-plus yachts. In accordance with SOLAS requirements, there are options for high-vis colors, a transverse stretcher ahead of the helm and a self-righting mechanism behind the aft bench. The Williams Jet Tender SPORTJET 520 makes for an exciting time on the water. The QYSEA FIFISH V-EVO is an underwater drone featuring a 4K 60 frames per second camera with 360-degree omnidirectional movement that can operate underwater for up to 4 hours. Suitable for both leisure and professional use, it is ideal for filmmaking, deep-sea exploration, marine monitoring and scuba diving excursions. The camera is equipped with a real-time color balancing algorithm and image enhancer that makes it easier to see underwater in true vivid color, with the promise of widened dynamic range and noise reduction. To further enhance underwater visibility, the camera utilizes artificial intelligence to filter out white marine flakes that are caused by floating plankton and bacteria, increasing clarity and smoothness of footage. Video is captured to an onboard micro SD card, but the company also sells an HDMI recorder box that allows footage to be captured above the surface directly out of the controller. The V-EVO is capable of full 360-degree maneuverability underwater thanks to its 6 motorized fins. Objects can be tracked precisely and the drone can lock itself in position despite any form of subsea interference. Acrobatic maneuvers can be activated and there is first-person view support. With incredible video clarity, precise directional control and an affordable price point, the QYSEA FIFISH V-EVO makes for a superb underwater drone. The TELEDYNE FLIR M400 marine thermal imaging camera is a versatile, high-performance pan/tilt marine camera system designed for short and long-range identification. The M400's advanced 640x480 sensor delivers crisp thermal video images in total darkness and low-light conditions. An integrated HD color visible camera and tight beam LED spotlight augment identification for added safety. The camera's continuous optical thermal zoom lens, up to 4 times, allows operators to see other vessels at longer ranges. Active gyro stabilization ensures a steady image, plus radar tracking and optional video tracking keep potentially dangerous objects in view at all times. Digital detail enhancement assures a crisp thermal image, even in scenes with extreme temperature dynamics. The rugged, waterproof gimbal enclosure with automatic window heaters keep the image clear, while gyro stabilization ensures steady viewing in heavy seas. There is an intuitive joystick control which allows the captain to see 360-degree horizontal and plus or minus 90 degrees vertically, offering excellent situational awareness. The camera can also be controlled via a PC, web browser and via integration with leading multifunction navigation displays via the Nexus SDK. With impressive thermal and low-light capability, a well-implemented control interface and active gyro stabilization, the TELEDYNE FLIR M400 makes for a stunning means of identifying and tracking objects at sea. The SUUNTO Ocean is a wrist-worn dive computer featuring a 50mm AMOLED color display. The screen is sapphire glass, with 3 buttons on the side large enough to easily use with gloves on. The straps are soft and comfortable and each set consists of 3 pieces so that they can be worn over dresssuits or during everyday activities. There are single and multi-gas dive modes with air and nitrix support and the ability to monitor real-time gas usage when paired with SUUNTO Tank Pod. Metrics displayed include depth, time and temperature. Safety stock detail is present and there is a compass built in. Once paired, users can link to up to 10 pods to monitor fellow divers' tank pressures and air consumption rates. Dives are logged as GPS-mapped 3D profiles, making it easier to relocate interesting features when diving on a site again. The ocean is also compatible with heart rate belts, Strava, Training Peaks and other apps. There are 95 different sport modes available. There is access to storm alerts and weather forecasts as well as detailed outdoor maps, featuring contour lines, water, paths, and landmarks. Users have direct control of music, reminders provide a helpful tool and 40 to 60 hours of dive battery life assures a high level of safety. The SUUNTO Ocean makes for a superb dive and sport watch. So guys, if you are looking for a boating gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to the ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and thank you so much for watching.